Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update. I want to make this a very brief update, but I just want to first start off by saying congratulations to LegalLockPicker on reaching 1,000 subscribers. That is such a really cool milestone. It opens up a lot of doors for you. And I just want to say it has been a pleasure watching your channel grow from about 2 subscribers all the way to 1,000 plus. If you haven't checked out LegalLockPicker before, what I'm going to do is share a quick clip of his channel so you can check him out.
Hey guys, LegalLockPicker here. Today we are going to do a Lockwood Asa Abloy 301-63 padlock here. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see all lockpicking, locksport, and security related content. Alright, now this lock right here I acquired during a trade.
Thank you so much for checking out LegalLockPicker. He is such a really cool guy to get to know, and I'm just so proud to see that his channel has reached 1,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has supported him throughout the past and everyone that continues to support him today. So if you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The next channel I'd like to mention this week is going to be the Skull Picker. The Skull Picker just reached 200 plus subscribers, and he'd like to celebrate that by doing a giveaway, and I'm going to share a quick clip of his channel with you right now.
Hey y'all, it's Skull Picker. It's Sunday night. I believe this is my 4th video. Finally, we get to talk about the Skull Picker's 200 sub giveaway. That said, I just hit 250 subscribers. So let's see if we can hit 300. That'd be pretty badass. But we got a pretty damn cool prize giveaway here. I think it's pretty damn cool.
Thank you so much for checking out the Skull Picker. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The last thing I'd like to share with you this week is a package that came with me from Coxie's Picks. I'm going to open this up in a video to come, and we'll see exactly what's inside, but I've been looking forward to this for a while. It has traveled a great distance, and I'm so excited to have it in. I just wanted to share it with everyone, and so Coxie can see it. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you this week. This has been a really brief Locksport update. As always, if you have anything that you would like to see shared next week, please drop it in the comment section below, and I'd really love to try to share it. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions at all, please drop those in the comment section below as well. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you'll have a great day, and I'll see you next Saturday.